Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. Today we discuss about why mathematics is a difficult subject. Before we enter the discussion, I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fikri bin Fauzi. You all can call me Fikri. How about you?
My name is Haris Bina, you can call me Haris.
My name is Ganison, you can call me Danish.
As for me, my name is Muhammad Nakai Naim and you can call me Naim.
Okay, we will start our discussion, okay?
Okay, yes.
In my opinion, I think math is a difficult subject because not everyone has a big brain to learn the math. Math also have many formula to memorizing, and I think it's hard for, especially for children, to memorizing all of formula. How about you?
I think it is because they have less of study in mathematics and they don't have idea.
As for me, I don't agree with this because as you can, as Fikri said, that when the student will memorize the formula, in the mathematics exam, they have given the formulas in the paper, so you just check it out. So
As you say, there are formula, but you want to memorize not only the formula, the flows of the mathematics. If if you see the formula and you can do the math, but it will be wrong. Any of stage, if you read it wrong, full question will be wrong.
Yes, I want to add something.
okay.
Yes, as you say that some formula are available and on the exam sheet.
Yes, okay.
Yes, some the others also you need to memorize with your brain.
Yeah.
Not all formula in the exam sheet.
As you can see, in the exam sheet, they have the important formula, such as acceleration or velocity. It's a the basic of the equation or something formula that not hard, you must memorize it. It's very simple. It's plus, minus, or times, or multiplication. You must remember it. So why do you say that math is difficult?
Not all the question has plus, minus, positive, negative, times, divide. They also have K-bar question. K-bar question will use our brain. We use our memorizing, the practice we do. Then if you don't know, will wrong you will fail the exam.
Sorry, can I interrupt?
Yeah.
I want to add on. Not the formula or the question of math also difficult. It's also the how the children learn how to do a math. For example, the teacher who teach the children do not explain more for the student. That's the reason why the student cannot learn and do the work. I think that's why they say the math is a difficult subject.
May I interrupt?
Yes, you
As you
can.
can see nowadays, mathematics not only learn about the numbers, they also learn the letter. Such as they have I don't know what in English, but in called kebalan kalian. So they have teach it in maths. So why and also
In addition, mathematics have many numbers to remember. When we do exam, we can go.
Can I add something? I think how about the Naim say that? I think yes, that's true. But as I say before, not everyone have a big brain to catch the subject fastly, and we need some time to learn the math.
As you say, we need more practice to the syllabus we learn. Especially the algebra questions are very hard for me. It gives headache, and sometimes I feel like oh, I hate math, I don't want to do, but we must do the algebra for the next exam.
Can I add some?
Yeah.
Mathematics is for me is a life. It's like a real life. Mathematics is like for me is you can use in the real life. If you want to make for example, if you want to make a clothes or a shirt, you must measure it. If you want to make some Milo, you must pour the of a tea cup, and also maths for me is really using in the real life.
Can I try you?
Yes, can.
As you say for the Milo, I think when I cook the Milo, I never use the math formula.
No, not the math.
I also agree with you. I think took 2 spoon of Milo, the milk powder, and add some hot water, sugar. Milo ready. How you use the maths with that?
No, but
You calculate 2x plus 2x equals to Milo. Add also 1x sugar, like that.
okay. Anyone want to add some point?
How about you, Aris?
Mathematics is a difficult subject because there are too many formulas such as quadratic form and linear motion.
Okay, for me, I want to ask you, as we see here, we know that Naim is a pro in a math subject.
Yeah.
I want to ask you, in your SPM, what is your grade in mathematics?
Which is a very embarrassment for me. I got 8 in the exam. For me, it's embarrassment
What is it? What is?
because I do not have a A class. What?
How about others? Can you share your result of SPM in mathematics subject?
I get C plus only. I'm not good at mathematics. I
Yes.
really hate it.
You say as me.
How about Haris?
I think our topic is out of topic. I think can we move to topic?
Okay, we come in the topic as usual. Okay, who want to start the conversation?
Okay, I want to start. For me, the government just make the mathematics difficult for the primary school. As you can see, sometimes I also see the books of the primary school, just like Dajjal Enam or ini. In the primary school, they already learn how to do algebra. It's X, Y. So, can
Yes.
Yes, you are correct, but not every student good in maths and concentrate all the class and do the algebra question. In standard 6, the primary school, they have learned the basics only, not the extra levels. In secondary school, they are going in through that with the hard levels, so they must be hard for some students. But my friend get A plus in maths. He said maths is very easy. You must do the practice. You can do not 1, 2 practice. You must do 1 chapter of the practice 2 times, 3 times, so it will be easy for you memorize like that.
Yes, I agree with you. But can I add something?
Yeah, okay.
I think if you want to be good in a math subject, I think we need friend to teach us. But because not every teacher what they teach us, we can be good in mathematics. We also need a friend to teach us. We need to friend, and we can discuss with him, because we know teacher also have a husband, children. They not every time they have with us.
Can I ask some question for all others?
Yes, you can.
Do you think that the factor of the mathematics is difficult is not only about the student itself, but also the teachers? Do you agree with it?
Yes.
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 Some teacher we teach, some teachers we teach very fast, right?
Yes.
And some others we slowly teach the need to make the right. And some others teachers that they only give some homework or some exercise so we can do itself. If you want to question, just ask the teacher.
I think from what Naim say, I agree with him, because not every teacher have a good personality who willing to teach student all of the mathematics subject and all of the subtopic. I think
I also agree with you both, because not every teacher give their time to teacher, but some teacher is good to in teaching.
and I want to add something, can
Yeah.
in new era 2023, we know that not a teacher should teach all of the mathematics. The student also need to learn himself how to do a mathematics.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Fikri says true. You can learn with TikTok or YouTube also. You can learn how to solve the problems in mathematics. If teacher means they will teach you 1 or 2 times in class only. If you want extra question, you can go be the teacher's room and ask. But in YouTube, you can see the videos 100 plus time until you understand.
Can I ask someone who know the app to do the math work?
I think Photomat. Nowadays I use the Photomat to do the
You can
math.
also ask the Google how to do the expression, so you can.
How about you, Alice?
Yes, I agree with all of you. The problem is mathematics become difficult is because the student is lazy, less of effort to study math, and they don't have something to memorize. And
German they also say that the mathematics is difficult. So
As you tell, nowadays children is think the maths is very difficult, but for the another student or other student, that will be easy because he really study in home. He take time in maths equation, ask his mother, friends or sister or brother. If we learn like this, take our time, use wisely our time, we can easily score A plus in maths.
Okay, from what we discussed, I think we all agree that math is a difficult subject, right?
yes, but I have some tips for all of you. So when the exam is near in the corner, study around 2 or 3 days before the exam. Just do 1 or 2 questions only. Just want to understand how the work, how to do it, and also try to memorize it. So I think that's all.
Thanks for your tip. I think we can close our discussion.
Yes, can.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Mantap.